You are going to love the 2017 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, rear step bumper, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, rear view camera, electronic messaging assistance with read function, cruise control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.